Now also, if you go to your iTunes and just click on that, you'll see at the bottom there's a red triangle with 3 red circles. If you click on hands-free, you see there hands-free system. If that's not ticked for any reason, just click phone, or you may need to go back into the system and select audio. But that's that there. So I'll just turn this down for a second. Now then, if you go to mode, then you have to click on Bluetooth audio here. You've got those different choices: CDL, light wave, medium wave, FM. So click on Bluetooth audio. That's bringing the record up. That's bringing an audio book up that I'm listening to. So if I turn that up,
Harry, come on. Are we going to look?
There you go. So that's that. Or if I click play there, so it's playing my Audible book. Or if I turn that up there, there you go. So that's how you stream audio.